Ready to learn? Come sing with me. It's time for fun on Tutor Me. 1, 2, 1, 2, Tutor Me. Dancing through the day. Phonics and stories, the fun learning way. Grammar and vocab, bright like the sun. Comprehension power, let's get it done. With Jennifer here, we laugh and learn. For knowledge and kindness, it's always our turn. So many cool things we're gonna see right here on 1, 2, Tutor Me. Let's shine and grow, don't miss the show. 1, 2.
Hey friends, today we're learning 2 fun sounds, O-I and O-Y. They sound the same, but they play by different rules. Let's jump in. O-I and O-Y both say oi, like in coin or toy. Use O-I in the middle of a word, like in boil, and use O-Y at the end of a word, like in toy. Here's a cool tip. O-I goes in the middle and O-Y usually comes at the end. Say these oi words with me. Ready?
Coin, join, point, voice, oil, foil, soil, choice, avoid, noise, moist, poison, spoil, hoist, coil, rejoice, toilet, broyo, joy, ointment, noisy, anoint, appointment. Say these words with me. Ready? Loyalty, boy, joy, annoy, employ, Enjoy. Destroy. Deploy. Decoy. Soy. Ahoy. Buoy. Cowboy. Joyfully. Loyal. Loyal. Oyster. Employee. Foyer. Toy box. Joyful.
O-I in the middle like boil and soil. O-Y at the end like toy and royal. Both say oi. Now you know. Let's give a cheer and end the show.
You're an O-I, O-Y expert. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more phonics fun. See you next time.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics stories, grammar too. 1, 2, tutorials here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 1, 2, tutor me says thank you.